What is an egg fast? An egg fast is a short-term ketogenic diet that involves eating primarily whole eggs and sources of fat, such as butter and cheese. How does it work? An egg fast works by inducing the metabolic state of ketosis. Ketosis occurs when your body has little access to glucose, its preferred fuel source. To compensate, your body makes ketone bodies out of fat and uses them as fuel. To reach ketosis, people typically need to eat 50 grams of carbs or less per day. They get the rest of their calories from a high-fat, moderate protein diet. A ketogenic diet can aid weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness, restricting food options, increasing protein intake, and potentially decreasing fat storage. What's more, some studies find that ketogenic diets may promote more weight loss than conventional low-fat, low-calorie diets. However, an egg fast only lasts 3 to 5 days, so it may not be enough time for someone to reach ketosis. In some cases, it may take a week or longer to enter this state. The diet plan is more restrictive than conventional ketogenic diets, as it reduces the number of food items you can eat. This restriction can slash your calorie intake and further promote weight loss. Though an egg fast will help you lose weight, your overall results depend on several factors, such as your starting weight, height, age, gender, and total food intake. For instance, someone with a higher starting weight should expect to lose more fat than someone at a lower starting weight. That said, most people claim they lose 5 to 10 pounds, 1.4 to 2.7 kilograms, in 3 to 5 days. Benefits of an egg fast. To date, the egg fast has not been scientifically studied. The following benefits are what you may expect from following a short-term, restricted ketogenic diet that encourages eating eggs. Keep in mind that an egg fast only lasts 3 to 5 days, so you may not get the full benefits of a conventional ketogenic diet. Here are some benefits you may expect. May reduce appetite. An egg fast encourages eating eggs, which are known to be very filling. 7 trusted source. In fact, numerous studies show that eating eggs can help you feel fuller for longer. That can lead to consuming fewer calories per day and will likely promote weight loss. 8 trusted source, 9 trusted source, 10 trusted source. Eggs are filling because they're high in protein. Research indicates that a high protein intake may help raise levels of hormones that promote fullness, such as peptide PYY, GLP-1, and CCK, while reducing levels of the hunger-promoting hormone ghrelin. 11 trusted source, 12 trusted source. Aside from being high in protein, an egg fast is a type of ketogenic diet, which some studies have found to be more filling than standard low-fat, low-calorie diets. 2 trusted source. Can help you lose weight. An egg fast is a very restrictive, short-term diet that limits your food options. Research indicates that limiting the number and variety of approved foods naturally reduces your daily calorie intake. 13 trusted source. The diet plan is also based on ketogenic principles, which may promote ketosis. Studies show that ketogenic diets can help you lose fat, maintain muscle mass, curb appetite, and improve markers of disease, such as high blood sugar, triglyceride, and cholesterol levels. 2 trusted source, 14 trusted source, 15 trusted source, 16 trusted source. However, an egg fast only lasts 3 to 5 days, which may not be enough time for you to reach ketosis. In some cases, it may take a week or longer to reach this state. May promote belly fat loss. Belly fat, or visceral fat, is a risk factor for heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Ketogenic diets like the egg fast may help you burn more belly fat than low-fat diets. In one study, adults following a ketogenic diet lost more total fat and belly fat than those on a low-fat diet, despite eating 300 more calories per day. 6 trusted source. In a 12-week study, women who followed a ketogenic diet lost an average of 21.2% of visceral fat, compared to a 4.6% reduction in women on a high-fiber, low-fat diet. 17 trusted source. Still, as an egg fast only lasts a few days, it's unclear how much belly fat you would lose. May reduce insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when your body does not respond properly to insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. Several studies show that ketogenic diets may reduce insulin resistance, which in turn can improve your body's ability to manage blood sugar levels. In a small, 2-week study, people with type 2 diabetes who followed a ketogenic diet reduced their insulin resistance by 75%. 18 trusted source. In other studies, participants with type 2 diabetes on a ketogenic diet were able to either reduce or completely stop taking their diabetes medication. 19 Trusted source, 20 Trusted source. Though following an egg fast may temporarily reduce insulin resistance, long-term changes must be made to promote continued results. If you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, speak with your healthcare provider before attempting an egg fast, as it could be dangerous. Potential risks and side effects. An egg fast comes with a few potential side effects for healthy adults. If you're new to ketogenic diets, you may experience the keto flu, which is caused by your body adapting to ketones as a source of energy instead of glucose. 21 Trusted source. Common symptoms include increased hunger, irritability, low energy, sleep issues, nausea, poor mental function, weakness, headaches, and bad breath. 21 Trusted source. Most of these symptoms are temporary and should disappear after a few days of fasting. To reduce your risk of the keto flu, try following a low-carb diet before you begin an egg fast. Constipation is another possible side effect, as the diet restricts high-fiber foods like vegetables and fruits. 22 Trusted source. To reduce this risk, try drinking as much water as possible. An egg fast is also a short-term diet and should not last longer than 3 to 5 days. That's because it restricts many healthy food groups that are necessary for optimal health. Following this diet for too long may increase your risk of a nutritional deficiency. If you fast regularly, consider taking a multivitamin to help you meet your nutritional needs. Though an egg fast can promote fast weight loss, you will likely regain the weight when you return to your regular diet, unless you implement long-term weight maintenance strategies. An egg fast is unsuitable for people with type 1 or type 2 diabetes, cholesterol hyperresponders, people with eating disorders, and those without a gallbladder, unless supervised by a medical professional. Additionally, egg fasts, along with other types of fasting, are inappropriate for pregnant or breastfeeding women. If you have any medical conditions, speak to your healthcare provider before starting any fast.